Ukraine hit a concentration of Russian soldiers in occupied Donetsk, probably with a use of Himars. The number of casualties is unknown, but according to eyewitnesses, there were bodies scattered all over the place.
Охереть. Это жопа. Ёб твою мать, там люди валяются. Мать моя женщина. Там, фу, там... Добрый!
This is interesting. Footage of a Ukrainian M1A1 Abrams MBT sending 120mm shells into Russian positions at the Avdiivka coke plant in March or April 2024. The precise arrival of a powerful drone into the ruins of a building in which the Russians were hiding. Probably a fire at a Russian strategic missile force facility in Novo-Alexandrovo, Vladimir region. The fire is believed to be at the 65th Communications Center facility, 27th Guards. But this is not certain. It seems to be a strategic missile forces facility. Let's see if Ukraine destroys Russian deterrence. The 18-year-old son of Kadyrov, who has been appointed head of the Ministry of Sports of Chechnya, has introduced his deputies. They are the son of Chechnya's PM and an MP's nephew. Akhmat Kadyrov, 18, who was recently appointed Chechen Minister of Physical Culture and Sports, has introduced his two deputies, Umar Daudov, the son of Chechnya Prime Minister Magomed Daudov, and Akhmad Kadzi Delimkhanov, the nephew of MP Adam Delimkhanov, Kavkaz. Reali news outlet reported. One of the new deputy heads of the Ministry of Youth Affairs of the Republic, Akhmad Kadzi Delimkhanov, has no higher education. Although, as the outlet points out, this is a mandatory criterion for entering civil service, as is the absence of a conflict of interest due to family ties. However, Akhmat Kadyrov also has no higher education. Kavkaz. Reali could not find any information about Umar Daudov having a university degree as well. No comment. Ordinary day in Putin's Russia. Putin said that the Russian economy has become the first in Europe. At the same time, Russians literally do not have enough money for food, and they wear the same clothes for 10 years. Rich people in Russia have gotten even richer by profiting from the war and death of Ukrainians. Poor people in Russia have become even more impoverished, but they consider it a norm. They go to war as cannon fodder to earn and steal. If they die, their families will receive payments, and if they are alive, they steal everything they can, from children's toys and toilets to furniture and appliances. One can imagine how much a Russian soldier would like to get to well-off Europe.
Я работаю, получаю пенсию, постоянно не хватает.
А на чем приходится в первую очередь экономить?
Продукты.
Ну, стараемся экономить на одежде. Вот. Ну, питание, конечно, себе особо не позволяем такого, которого бы хотелось. Вот. Ну,
по несколько сезонов носишь, допустим, одно и то же, или что-то хочешь себе, допустим, купить, а не можешь позволить, потому что уходят там деньги на какие-то другие нужды.
Вот это на мне уже 10 лет. Вот это на мне, поверите, 10 лет. Единственная одежда на мне. 10 лет. И я не курю, не пью.
Attention, The Hague. Russian propagandist Solovyev wants to bomb the International Criminal Court building. He probably looked into his future, and it looked like he would be spending quite some time there.
И то, что МУ создан хрен знает для чего, хрен знает кем, и не пользуется никаким уважением, никакой репутацией. Мерзавцы и ничтожества. Просто забавно, как внутри сообщества мерзавцев и ничтожества они друг с другом тявкают, ненавидят друг друга, переживают. Ну, конечно, потому что их баллонка сошла с ума и стала кусать руку хозяина. А мы презираем и баллонку, и хозяев. И у нас ноль к ним уважения. У меня лично вообще ноль уважения ко всем этим международным инстанциям после суда над Югославией. Да. После всего того, что они вытворили тогда, вот все эти суд в Гааге, да бомбу надо туда отправить, вот прямо в этот суд. Небольшую, но мощную. Чтобы так вот резиновую, каучуковую, чтобы прыгала и по башке им била.
A strange phenomenon in the Sea of Azov. The sea has receded from the shore to a record distance, hundreds of meters. In Mariupol on the left bank and in Russian Taganrog. The reason is unknown. And for the end, footage shows 2,000 soldiers and 1,000 police officers deployed across 5 neighborhoods in Apopa, El Salvador, in response to citizen complaints about gang activity. The homicide rate in El Salvador has plummeted drastically since the 2022 Salvadoran gang crackdown, which has led the country to have the highest incarceration rate in the world. In 2023, El Salvador had approximately 2.4 homicides per 100,000 inhabitants, a significant drop from 2015 when there were 103 homicides per 100,000.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.